ما ثناخوان توییم در هر مکان و هر دیار، کی توانیم ما ستاییمت خدای مهربان. آنچه در شأن تو گفتم یک بود اندر هزار، آنچه در شأن تو گفتم یک بود اندر هزار.
مهر بابا کیجه، مهر بابا کیجه،
اوتار مهر بابا کیجه.
Come on, Banacha.
Three rings.
Three.
No, don't touch your feet, please. No touching.
Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh. Brahma.
Come on.
Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesh.
It's just on the opposite. That's one.
Vishnu. Young. And they are also young. So at that time, before they left Iran, it was a very bad state situation, very bad. They were Mughal, still they left. But higher post, finance minister, lot of money. He was dealing with money. Like, and what was the situation? The situation for all these high officials, just they left. They left. Why? Because they are approached different room, different. And so change took place. They left. Now they live in LA. But they go to Iran. Because they are Irani. It is not he, she. So, very good one. Mother was the finest minister dealing with money. So, it does not go. He's a son. And he is on sixth plane. It does not go. They were thinking that he is mad. When I went there, I stayed with them. Good food,
Do you may I translate for them for some people? Or?
Yes.
میگن که این دو نفر مغول هستن؟ مغول هستن و در ایران زندگی میکردن و موقعیت بدی پیش میاد و اونها ایران رو ترک میکنن و مقام پست بالایی رو داشتن در اون زمان. ایشون نخست وزیر بودن و
Finance minister.
وزیر مال، وزیر دارایی بودن و با پول و اینا سر و کار داشتن و ایشون موقعیت بد میشه و ایران رو ترک میکنن و الان در لس آنجلس زندگی میکنن و ایشون هم پسرشون هستن آقای اورنگ
کجاش؟
و ایشون فکر میکنن که ایشون دیوانه هستن ولی در حالی که ایشون در آسمان ششم هستن و Yes, Baji. و وقتی که ایشون باجی به آمریکا سفر میکردن در منزل این خانواده اقامت داشتن، غذای خوب بهشون پذیرایی خیلی خوب و غذای خیلی خوب بهشون.
You come to Brahma Vishnu Ramabai
Raise your
Rama Devi, her health is not good. She is not coming.
So you are also not coming there?
You
You are coming there?
No, he's not.
Can I stay?
خب رو ببین.
So now we'll proceed further with the son. They just make treatment thinking that he is mad. But he is not mad. He was the one who just on sixth plane. He does not know what he is doing. When I went to their house in LA, I made it clear. He's on sixth plane.
ایشون پسرشون هستن و فکر میکنن که ایشون دیوانه هستن و تحت علاج درمان ایشون رو تحت مداوا قرار دادن ولی نمیدونن که ایشون آسمان آگاهی ششم آگاهی هستن و حتی خودش هم نمیدونن که این در این آسمان هست کاری که انجام میدن.
I thought you said I'm in the breeze. Sixth plane to the breeze is different.
You think? I thought you said I had the breeze.
Breeze is level 1. Close to,
The breeze is at level 1.
well, I'm sorry, first plane.
First plane.
I'm sorry.
And now you said sixth plane.
Big difference.
Or sixth plane. And they don't know doctor, daddy is doctor. And he just treated me to a highest, to his extent that he did to make deal with bad people. So he did everything. But those did not come in your that position. That's what the plane, sixth plane. So then he left. not doing it. So are you doing that? Any treatment?
Are you getting any treatment?
Am I getting a treatment? No.
No. No treatment. So just
I'm hopeless.
sixth plane.
Sixth plane.
Today I am making it clear. You are on sixth plane. You see God.
I see God.
Yes. But when eyes are closed, God is there. He is always there.
میگن که امروز من آشکار و واضح میگم که ایشون در آسمان ششم هستن، در صورتی که پدرشون تلاش خودشون رو کردن که فکر میکردن که میتونن ایشون رو مداوا کنن، ولی ایشون در آسمان ششم آگاهی هستن و خودشون اضافه کردن که من قبلا فکر میکردم که نسیمی از آسمان آگاهی به من خورده، آسمان اول آگاهی، ولی باوجه میگن که نه، شما در آسمان ششم آگاهی هستید. وقتی که من به لس آنجلس رفتم اینو اونجا به طور آشکار و واضح گفتم که ایشون در آسمان ششم آگاهی هستن و خودشون و گفتن که شما میتونید، شما خدا رو میبینید، وقتی که چشماتون رو میبندید خدا رو میبینید و خدا همیشه اونجا هست.
Compassionate one.
This is going on. Now they live apart. When I go at that time, he comes, meets me in the station, and then takes me to the home. He did not give his mommy and daddy. They are there. But then, in the evening, he just goes. He has got his wife is there. And when we go back, so first kisses. How many kisses you give?
Would you recommend?
Two.
Two? Okay.
یه وقتی که من به آمریکا میرفتم این خانواده در فرودگاه به استقبال من میمدن و منو میبردن.
One kiss this side and other kiss that side.
و گفتم وقتی که شما
First left.
برمیگردید به شهرتون همسرتون رو که دیدید ببوسید ایشون. پرسیدن چند دفعه؟ گفتن 2 دفعه. یکی اینجا.
Put
Good, bad.
two kisses.
Enough, Babaji, just 2 kisses?
That's too much, Baba.
Because it's long time.
Yes, two kisses. 6 plane.
6 plays.
Oh.
6 plays.
She wants to say something. Shiva, Muhammad Shiva.
بگید سری قبل که اومده بودیم گفته بود که 3 روز هر 3 روز 5 بار 7 بار 11 بار نه کدوم یعنی گفتید که مثلا اونا که زناشون ببوسن نه آقایون میگم این دیگه نمیگی به بقیه
Babaji, she's saying, Babaji, Muhammad Shiva is saying that last time when she came here, she saw that you are saying to everyone 5, 7, 11. That remember that mantra you told everyone to do? All the marriage people, kiss wives, 5, 7, 11. Nowadays you are not saying anymore to people. No.
5, 7, 11, no?
You are not telling anymore. Not remembering, not reminding people. Probably they are doing, some people they do, but not reminding anymore.
You ask every day
5, 7, 11.
چیه؟
That is the mantra, good mantra.
Yes, very good.
1571.
No, it's for others.
For others. Why others?
Because بگیم چون که خوب بود همش به هم علاقهشون نشون میدادن هر روز هم یادشون نمیرفت چون باجی میگفتن
چرا برای تو نه؟
تو که ازدواج کردن بگیم
Again, Babaji, she's saying that I'm not married, so I can do it, so others can do it.
All right. Also.
She's powerless. जी बाबा और बुन बाबा जी
और मेहर बाबा
जी
Namaste, 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 namaste. Baba Haydar, Baba Haydar, Baba Haydar. Namaste, 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 namaste. Namaste, bastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Fauji parastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Namaste, bastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Baba parastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Mujhe bo chang bezan, do daf bezan, o soz bezan. Bajahon tor azan, yore vafodar bezan. Nami az madhe Ali, Haydar karrar bezan. Yani on roz ke habud o digar pish nabud. Yani on roz ke habud o digar pish nabud. Nafase parde mabud, Ali bud be sujud. Nafase parde mabud, Ali bud be sujud. Namaste bastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Baba parastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Namaste bastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Allah parastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Namaste, 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 Baba Haydar, Baba Haydar, Baba Haydar. Namaste bastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Allah parastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Baba parastam, Baba Haydar, madar. Mujhe bo chang o mendo zarbat nisaz koni. Gami az madhe Ali o hame آواز کنی. مدح شهر را به لب لعل گهر باز کنی. مدح شهر را به لب لعل گهر باز کنی. یعنی آن روز که حق بود و دگر هیچ نبود. یعنی آن روز که حق بود و دگر هیچ نبود. در پس پرده معبود علی بود به سجود. در پس پرده معبود علی بود به سجود. من مستم بابا حیدر مدد. من پرستم بابا حیدر مدد. موجی پرستم بابا حیدر مدد. من مستم.
All over.
Okay.
All over.
Yes.
So all over. He'll come back.
He's come back. Where is he, Babaji?
His name is Alo.
Again.
Gokarn's grandson. His daughter's son.
Dr. Ashu's son, Alba.
अरे कियान यामित मिगे
So, Alova, why his name is Alova? That this is not, I'm giving. They have kept that name, Alova. So, they come here, Alova, bring Alova. And I told them the story about Alova. She went to Iran, and when she went to Iran, said, Iran, and you have Alova? He did not change his place. Even passport, everything changed.
Sorry, Baji, let me translate. گفتن که آلوبا رو میشناسین. آلوبا دوباره که برگشته، آلوبا یکی از ماندولی بابا هستن که فرمودن که برگشته و در این خانواده‌ای هست که از اقوام گوکاران هستن که در بمبئی زندگی میکنن. این پسر کوچیکی هستش که اینجا اومده و اسمش رو آلوبا گذاشتن و باجی به اونها داستان آلوبا رو تعریف کرد که آلوبا چطور به ایران رفتن و به طوری بود که آلوبا بابا بهشون این اسم رو داده بودن و این اسم رو تا به آخر نگه داشتن و تغییر ندادن و حتی پاسپورت و تمام مدارکشون به اسم آلوبا.
Alova, when he went to Iran, was one policeman, and his sister was there. And sister said, oh, he is my brother. But still, soft, just listen to him. Just, if he does takes care of Baba's name, he should be arrested. Then and there, without taking the better.
وقتی که به ایران رفته بودن اونجا خواهرشون زندگی میکردن و خب توی فرودگاه مشکلی داشتن. میگفتن این آلوبا چی هست و پلیسی مأمور شده بود که به همراه ایشون بودن و مأموریتش این بود که مواظب باشن که ایشون اسمی از مهر بابا نبره. اگر اسمی از مهر بابا ببره همون دقیقه باید دستگیر بشه.
Alova has gone for 1 year to be with his sister. But sister's son was not following Alova. So he was appointed. And then anything. Even if he
Yes, Zara is here.
utters by her mouth, he should be arrested.
Alright, I'll just tell some people after.
7 days.
Okay.
He stayed there. And then came back.
Aram.
Then
Yeah, no,
he
he's
went
not.
to America.